Question 21. Which of the following represents the general solution to the equation tan theta equals -1? All right, so tan theta is different than our two other primary trig functions. Sine and cos have a period of 2 pi, whereas tan has a period of pi. So we want to keep that in mind when we're stating our general solution. So, if we're looking at this, right away we're down to a 50-50. It's either B or D, because our general solution is going to have a period of k times pi, where k is an integer. So if we consider tan, well, let's just try to solve tan theta equals -1. If we consider tan theta equals -1, our reference angle is pi over 4. But we want to remember that tan is negative in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, right? Why is that? All students take calculus. So quadrant 2, I hope I said quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. So if we're figuring out the quadrant 2 solution, we simply go pi minus our reference angle. So pi minus, so if you're having trouble with common denominators, right, that's just 4 pi over 4. So we get 3 pi over 4. Now, the other solution, if you're considering in the unit circle from 0 to 2 pi, the other solution, right, is 2 pi minus. But because quadrant 1 and quadrant 4 are exactly pi units apart, you could also get the general solution by just adding pi, right? So we don't need to include that. So definitely, question 21, C is the correct answer. Pi over 4 is in quadrant 1 where tan is positive, so we really could have thrown that away quickly as well. Wrong. Oops, sorry about that. Wrong. I'm not reading this. This is the correct answer with the K. All right. Hope I didn't confuse you too much. So we need the K, pi, because the period of tan is pi. And we need 3 pi over 4 because in quadrant 2, tan is a negative value.